Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show a small update in the prototype that we have that uses Quartz scheduler. So the idea to use Quartz scheduler is to be able to have like background tasks that you can program when they're going to run. So for example, here we have one. This one will execute a query every 59 seconds. And this is actually failing all the time for one reason. This database that I'm trying to query doesn't exist. So because I just did a new refresh on the prototype. So this doesn't matter. Actually, we showed this many times before in Windows Forms, in web forms, and in Blazor. So this is just a refresh of the Blazor prototype. So the new thing that we have is that before there was kind of no way to know where when the task was running. So now we added this new list view. And in here we use the new features of XAF Blazor 24, which is you can invoke code async to refresh list views. So basically here we are querying the Quartz service, which is a hosted service. We return a list of non-persistent objects, and then we show the status. And we have this pop-up here to show, okay, it's refreshing, but you will see that the is running column will change at one moment or the other. The task takes like around 10 seconds. And also now you have more information about the task, the last time that it ran, when it's going to run again, and if it's running or not. I think it takes like 10 seconds or something like that in between runs. Oh, no, 59 seconds. So this is going to take a little bit more. See, now it's running. So it's refreshing the status of the job. And just to show you a little bit about this, basically we introduce something in the module that reads the status of the service. So let's check the module. Is here. And this is something that you will find in the documentation. So in XAF, you just need to know when to use each part. So basically, we wire the object space created event, and then in here we wire the getting objects, and it's a non-persistent object that shows the status. So here we have the status, see, non-persistent base. And what we do is that we query the Quartz scheduler service. And what we do is basically we get the status from the service here, and then we put them on the list and then return it to the list view. So the beautiful part about XAF is that if you can model the information and you know how to get it somewhere, which this way is a really beautiful way, we can add information from a service, then you can show it in a XAF application as it was part of the domain objects or the persistent objects in the database. So that's kind of a beauty, how you can integrate other sources of information that are not persistent objects, and it looks like a normal persistent object. What do you think about this, Javier?
This is just a beauty, Jose. I think that again, like 90% of the system that we have been involved with, they have some type of background processing. That we need to like do any type of database cleanup. We need to do any type of send email every night
Mhm.
to report like the numbers of the week, dashboard reports we send it as attachment. So it's just beauty to see that just running on the background works, refresh the data, and we know also the
Mhm.
status of the job. If it fails, why did it fails? If we have logging in place, so like kudos, really nice implementation.
Yeah, and that we can show basically information in stuff that is not part of the domain objects of stuff. Basically, we can get any arbitrary information, create a non-persistent object, and put it in a list view. And if
Exactly.
we can replace the list view, like in the background task, even better like this.
Yeah, we're good to go
So
there.
that will be it for this video. So see you on the next video.
Thank you for watching.